Namaskar. We usually hear older people complaining of knee pain, and this is very obvious because as we grow old, our bones degenerate, more wear and tear occurs, and so if you don't take care, knee is going to give you pain. But nowadays, I hear young people also complaining about knee pain. In young people, knee pain is because of few reasons. The reasons could be tight hip flexors or quadricep muscles, also osteoarthritis, inflammation in tendons, and so on. But one common factor of knee pain is our incorrect posture, which we take while sitting, and that puts stress on knee joints. In our day to day life, we stand or sit in certain ways, and that puts pressure on our knee, causing knee pain. We are unaware at that time because instantly it doesn't give you pain, but pain gradually develops and is felt after an hour, or maybe next day, or maybe after 4 5 months. Today, I will discuss about certain postures which you should always avoid to prevent knee pain. First one, sitting on chair with legs bent behind. Many people have a habit to sit on chair with legs pushed behind. Sitting in this posture for a long time definitely is going to put stress on your knee. Our knees bend naturally because of the hinge joint. A hinge joint allows knee to bend backward and forward and little sideways. If you put your leg too behind, then knee joint is overly extended and gives you pain. You should always follow 90-90 position to sit on the chair. First, your back should be erect and legs touching the ground. Your knee should be in the line with your ankle, making it perfect 90 degree. If you can't touch your foot to the ground, then you should take some support. See that you have a foot rest, and on that you are resting your foot well, not dangling. Second, standing on one leg. Standing on one leg is major reason for knee pain, which we usually overlook. People usually stand on one leg by kneeling against the wall. The other leg is folded towards the wall and talking for a long time. Sometimes people stand on one leg, take the back support and bend the knee while traveling. Such a thing slowly develops into habit, and when you do all these things more and more, it is going to cause problem. Have you observed how military officials stand? They pull their shoulders back and stand tall. Their entire body weight is balanced between both feet equally. We should also adopt correct way of standing with both legs straight and our body weight equally balanced between both the legs. Third, mistakes made during exercises. Any type of fitness exercises provides benefits, no doubt. But if the form is incorrect, then it is going to harm your knee. While practicing yoga asanas such as Veerbhadrasana or Kapotasana, if your knees extend beyond your toe or lock your knee, or you put your entire weight on knee, then definitely you are going to get knee pain. Hence, you should take extra care to prevent misalignment by doing asanas properly. Practice the right technique under the guidance of yoga teacher and see to it that you don't harm your body. It is better that you do warm-up practices before you start with any form of exercise. Fourth, asanas to strengthen knees. If you have weak calf muscles, tight quadricep muscles, tight hip flexors, and weak core muscles, then you are bound to get knee pain. So certain yoga asanas will help build flexibility, build muscles and stability. So practice Utkatasana, Talasana, Skandasana, Padmasana, Veerbhadrasana 2, extended triangle, Upavishta Konasana and Setu Bandh Asana. Remember, these asanas could be practiced only by those people who do not have knee pain. Number 5, postures which would aggravate your knee pain. If you are already suffering from knee pain, maybe mild or severe, you should prevent certain postures. Sitting on your knees will worsen your condition. So, you should avoid folding your knee. Also, avoid Vajrasana. Avoid Utkatasana. Don't do Utkatasana fully. Just bend little bit and get up. Avoid Pavan Muktasana and such other asanas which you feel are giving pressure on your knee. You should also avoid Indian toilet as posture can cause more strain on your knee. Usually I have noticed that when people are engrossed with some work, some thought, some serious discussion, they don't pay attention at all on how they are standing or how they are sitting, and that can cause really a problem. So yoga always says that try to become aware about your posture, try to become aware about your lifestyle, and see to it that you always sit or stand in correct posture. So take care of yourself, look after yourself, become more aware about your body posture and yourself, and that would solve all the problems. Namaskar.